Welcome back to Kids Learning Express. Today we will see some of the collective nouns. I will explain it. Okay. Army of soldier. Army. It means large number of people. Okay. Large number of people. So we will say army of soldiers. A fleet of ship. Fleet of ship na. It means a number of vehicles operating together under the same area. It is the meaning of fleet of ship. A pair of shoes, a set of two things is called, we'll say pair. Okay, a pair of shoes. A bunch of keys, a bunch of grapes, a bunch of banana. So we will say bunch means a number of things of the same type together in a closed group. Okay, so we will say bunch of keys. Herd of cows, a large group of animals, will say herd of cows. A swarm of bees, it means group of flying insects, will say swarm of bees. A album of pictures, it means a blank book for the insertion of photograph. So we will say album of pictures. A band of musicians. Band of musicians means a loop of material used as a used for the reinforcement as a decorative. This is called band of musicians. A crowd of people. A crowd means a large number of people gathered together in a disorganized. Okay, it is called crowd of people. A class of students. A class of students, it means a set of people all in organized section. No? This is called class of people. A flock of birds. A number of birds of one kind feeding, resting and traveling together. It is called flock of birds. A litter of cubs and puppies. It means number of young animals. We will say litter. A shoal of fish. A shoal of fish means a large of number of fish swimming together. Okay, it is called shoal of fish. A pack of wolves. It means a group of wild animal. We will say pack of wolves. Bouquet of flowers. A bunch of flower that is organized in a attractive way. That is called bouquet. Bouquet of flowers. A team of player. A group of people who play sports and games is called team of player. Okay, you all know the meaning and these things. Now I explained. If you have any doubt in this, please ask me in comment so I can clarify with you. Please subscribe and like and share my channel. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video.